So those old snapped, exploded 100 ohm resistors have been replaced here with 1/2 watt 100 ohm wire round resistors. I've shortened the leads more on this side and just enough on here to get to ground, just so there isn't apparently a lot of line to pick up other radio frequency noise. Don't know if that's going to be a problem or not, but somebody suggested it. This was the burned wire that I've shortened a little bit and now reattached, and that's to the grounding switch, which I'm just always going to leave in the middle because this is a properly 3-prong grounded amplifier. This is a grounding switch that you can go, you can kind of reverse polarity on if you're kind of, I guess the idea was if you're in a place with an electrical circuit where you don't have a proper third ground, you might find a setting left or right that gives you less noise. But one of the settings brings in the classical death capacitor, as it were, into the system, but that's not really the best thing to do for a ground. So I've been told just these amps with this switch, just leave them in the middle position. But regardless, I replaced the wire anyway just by shortening it up and getting rid of the burnt section. And that is soldered in place. This tube socket, they're very cheap. I'm gonna get another one, I believe, and probably just replace that one. It's does have some, from whenever it had its shorting, it does have damage to really pins there that were kind of arced away a little bit. There's electrical connections there now, and it seems to be usable. Right back here, like you don't have a full pin here. There's an electrical connection, but it's not ideal. I checked that out just to make sure what was there, metal or solder, and there was a lot of solder built up there instead of metal. So right now it's mostly just metal and a lot less solder. So that should improve the hum situation.